to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, what we got here is a 2006 Mitsubishi Galant. Customer's complaint, no AC. Customer took it to a repair shop. They did install dye. I'm going to explain that in a minute. And we see where it's leaking from. Leaking from the low pressure hose, also considered the suction line. And, we're going to show you how to replace that and recharge the system and what the reading should be at. Alright, first let me grab you and show you what we're doing. Okay, the low pressure line is the one right here with the blue cap. It's also considered the suction line because when you put Freon into the system, this is the suction line. The compressor sucks the Freon through this line. So we're going to be replacing this line. Now, as I said, they did have somebody check it out. They put a little Freon in it, put a little dye into it. Dye is something that when you put into the system and you use a UV light, also considered a black light, to try to find the leak. And let me show you the stain where that's coming, where that's at. Okay, now I want you to take a look at this line over here. It took us a while to find it. You see that brown stain on that line? That's actually dye. So we know this line was leaking from here. And last time when we did check it out, we went to check the readings. We took off the low pressure side cap, and it was actually, you can see it right now. Let's see if it still does it. You can look in there and you can see it's kind of bubbling up. So we know we got a leak coming from there also. So we're going to replace that line. There's nothing in the system right now, so I don't have to worry about evacuating it. So we're just going to get ready just to change this line. All right, when we come back, we're going to I'm going to show you the special way of taking this line out and recharge it. We'll be right back. Okay, first thing what I want you to do, follow this line down, goes down to the side of the compressor. Right here we have a bolt right here. That's a 12mm bolt. You can probably use a ratchet, it'd be a lot quicker. We're going to get that bolt out of there. I'm going to get a ratchet, and you get a ratchet also, and take that bolt completely out. Now if you didn't evac the system, remove all the Freon and all that, and you're just going to change it and whatever, take out that bolt very slowly and Freon's going to start coming out of there. So just let it continue till it stops, and then continue taking it out. Alright, 12mm. Let's get that bolt out, then we'll go to step 2. Okay, we took that bolt out. There it is right there. And we're just going to shake this line. You see we still got a little Freon in there. Let's leave that right there for now. Now up here, got a little clip holding this line in. What you want to do is there's a tab up under here. You want to pull this tab outward and pop the top up. Just leave that like that. That line's almost done. Great. Let's wiggle a little bit more here. There we go. And that line is up. Now, this line right here is a little tricky. There's a little tab right there. What we're going to do is pick that tab up, get a little screwdriver, pick it up, and then you're going to counterclockwise turn this counterclockwise until it comes loose. Alright, let's get it set up. I'm going to show you how that is. Okay. See that white line right there? What I did was twist it counterclockwise. Take that line off. And let's see if we can get this separated. I'm trying to do this without let's see if we can get a zoom in on that. Okay. See, I had to twist that to get that out of there. It's good. There we go. Got the old line. Let's go get the new line. And before we get that new line, what I'm going to do is show you this old one. You can see the stain on it. It was leaking. So, just gonna replace that line. Let's go get our new line and we'll be right back. Okay, here we got our new line right from Mitsubishi, straight from the dealership. Okay, let's take this out of the package and get this pre-installed. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's start off on this end over here. What you want to do is take a little oil. This one's PAG 56. Just put it around the O-rings just to seal it up, just to make sure, lubricate it, make sure it goes in with no problems. And twist the line. It's all the way in. Now, you got to get those lines lined up. So what you do is install them. See how I've just put that in there? Let's go over here and get a better look at this. You want to insert. It's going to go into like a groove. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is almost impossible. You're going to get that lined up just like that, and then you're going to twist it. You're going to get in there and you're going to twist it until it locks into place, and that white line should be right between the two white lines on the hose. Alright, so let's get that done. Twist that and we'll be right back. Okay, we got that done. Next we're going to do, make sure you can see this, we're going to take off the protective cover on this side, put a little oil around the rings, get some right here from the compressor, and then let's install the line below. And let's get that bolt in and tighten that up. We'll be right back. Okay, we got the line installed. Now, what I want to do now is I got a, there's probably enough Freon in the one bottle to do this, but I'm not really sure, so I got me a new bottle over here. So let me change these bottles. Now R134A is the Freon that goes in this. You can probably get a kit from your local auto parts store to install this, but I like to use the bottles. Alright, now also, in order to install 134A, you got to flip the bottle upside down. As you can tell from the old bottle, so you can see that, you can see this end up for use, so I turn it upside down. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to go over here. Now, let's see if we can set it up to the low port side. We're going to get our gauges, get the blue one. We have a new cap. install the line. I'm not going to open it up yet. Just want to leave it just like that. Now, let's go over here. And let's turn this bottle upside down. Cut it on. Shake it a little bit. Turn it upside down. Now what we're going to do here, so we don't get no air coming out that line first, what we're going to do is disconnect this line right here just like that, just a little bit. And I'm going to open it up. Little Freon. So now, my Freon is right there at the line. It's ready to go in. Ready to get this thing charged up. So now what I'm going to do is turn the screw right here clockwise all the way down. Now it's pushing up against the Schrader valve. Open it up. And then my system's ready to be charged. So let's get us a thermometer to set into the vents so we can check the temperature and get this thing going. We'll be right back. Okay, let's get inside the car. Let's get this vent right here. This little thermometer you can get from, I like the digital ones you can get from, I got this one from Target. Sorry, but I do not like Walmart. Let's get that thing situated in there in a way. Here we go. Now, we turn this on. Now what it's going to tell us, the temperature coming out of the vents. Good AC system should be, a very good AC system should be about 40 degrees coming out. Okay, let's cut the AC on. We're going high. We're here to max AC. AC, it's about 61 degrees. It's about 60 degrees out here. So as you can see, it's not even working. Let's go out there and start installing some Freon in this. So now we can see our low side. Low side is about 15. So now what we're going to do is take this port right here, the low side. We're going to open up and you're going to see it start flowing right through the eyesight glass. That, my gauge goes up. Don't try to open it up fully. Just a little bit. You see how gauge goes down. Now we're going to look. We're looking for about 30. So open up a little bit more. Down. Shut it off. Still low. A little bit more. Now once it levels off at about 20, it's almost there. I'm going to go check the temperature coming out the vents. Get a little bit more. Alright, now we're still not at a full system. Let's go check out what our temperature is. Alright, just so we put in there, you see how, I mean, well, it's getting kind of cold here. Already, we're not even full. We're down at 46 degrees, 45, and the thing is still dropping, and we're not even full yet. Alright, that's just to let you know. So far, this is coming out to be a day. It's coming out really cold. Let's go back. Let's get the heck out of this car. Oh, man. Alright, you notice the fans are on. Make sure that when you putting Freon in, if the compressor clutch comes on, the fan should come on high speed if you got electric fans. They gotta be on to cool off that condenser. If not, this thing, the high side will go too high. You'll hear something go pow. Freon everywhere. Alright, as you can see, we're not even at at my mark. We're about 15, and we still got a lot to go. As I said, the temperature outside is about close to 60 degrees. So we probably won't reach 30 because 30 is going to probably overcharge this system. So we're going to go about 25. Let's get some Freon in here. Now don't try to open up the valve all the way unless you're using the little cans. You can do that. But when you're dealing with this 30 pounder, you don't need to do that. Alright, we're getting up there. Low side is almost 20. That's normal. You hear that? The compressor kicks cycles on and off. That is normal. Okay, now we're at about 20. See that I like. Hey, what's going on? All right. Okay, now you see we're at 39 degrees. This is like, this is really cold. 38, 37. This is like really cold. and you know, our 20 mark is great because of the temperature outside. Man, this is too cold, man. Get the heck out of this car. Everything's working great. Okay, we're looking pretty good. We're going to disconnect. Now on the low side, you want to disconnect that while the AC is going. So it's no pressure building up on this side. Man, everything's cold on this one. It's cool. And you can see down there, you can see the condensation already building up on the line. Great job. Okay, let's cut this off. Now we can disconnect it. And see, you don't see no bubbles coming out of there like last time. Let's straight a valve or something else messed up with that line. Let's put our cap back on because this cap does have like a sealer on it. And there you go. Perfect AC system. All right, we'll be right back. All right, there you have it. Now, if it was warmer out, the warmer it gets, the max my low side should reach is about 30. But we're at 20, it's kind of cool out here. You said the temperature come out 36 degrees. It's cold. All right, now, as you saw the leak on the other line. So customers going to drive it, check it out and all. Make sure there's no other leaks in this. I'm pretty sure we're good to go. Have any questions? Be sure to post down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Subscribe to our channel. This is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. You gotta take it easy.